Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hisham-muddin Harun Rusidi, metric number 2115575. I'm going to explain on the code on how we train the machine learning of our project spam detection. The first part is how we clean the data of the datasets. What we do in the data cleaning is we check for missing values and we remove the duplicate values and the missing values, so it is easier for us where we train data without any noise, and we display the data, the update shape of the data frame, as you can see here. Next part is the EDA, which is the exploratory data analysis. In this part, we display the first few rows of the data frame and the distribution of ham and spam labels using a pie chart. This pie chart, we can see that 87.37% of the datasets contain of ham message and 12.63% contains of a spam message. We also calculate and visualizing the number of characters, words and sentences in each message. Explorating statistical summary and visualization for ham and spam message. The next part is the data processing or text processing. In this part, we take part of the lower casing, tokenization, removing stop words, removing special characters, and stemming lemmatization. We do this to make all the text standardized. We transform the text column using define transform text function and creating a word cloud for both spam and ham message. Next part is the model building. We use count vectorizer and TF-ID vectorizer to convert and transform text into numerical features. It is because machine can understand the text word from the dataset, so we convert it from text into numerical features for better machine understanding. We split the data into training and testing tests and testing sets, and build and evaluating three different non-bias classifiers, which is Gaussian, multinomial, and Bernoulli. We select the best accuracy and precision score by comparing the three models. As you can see here, we got that multinomial life bias got the highest accuracy and precision score, so we choose the multinomial life bias. And lastly, we save the TF-IDF vectorizer and the multinomial life bias using the picker library for the next step, which is to use it in the front end and back end to call it. So that's all for my part. I pass it to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Daniel bin Abdul Rahman. My metric number is 2115291 and I'm from Group H. So as you know, for our project we created a message spam detector. So I will explain to you about the back end of our code. So this is the main. First we need to run this. We can type in uv-con in app below. So after we run, this is our API. We can copy this. Oops. Can copy this and we go to Postman. We select post, we type in our localhost, we paste our API, we select body, raw and JSON. So in here we can type in our message, test, and it should display the output, which is not spam. So we type in congratulations, you have won free money. Click the link to claim it. It should say not spam. Yep. So we go back to main. Here we call the function predict and call in the message. So if we look what's in this function, it will load the model, it will transform the text, so it is easier to vectorize it, and then the model will predict whether it is spam or not, and lastly it will display the message. That's it for the back end of our code. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Hisham-muddin, check number 211201. So right now I'm going to present about the front end, which is in our GUI. Alright, so this is the code for our front end. So basically we use web to display our result. And so okay, so before this my friend Amma already demo about the backend. So right now I'm going to present about the front end. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first let's run the backend part first. So this would be our server, backend server. So we run first. By using this command. Alright, so after we have run, you can see that this is the API, which is the API for our backend in the port 8000. Alright, so now we can test the front end. Okay, so this is the front end. You see in the server side, which is the server side of the front end, I will call this function from the backend, which is localhost 8000 /API v1 get result, which I get from here. Okay, so to view this, let me run by using run. Okay, now you can see this is our front end link. So let's copy and we paste in the Google in our browser. Alright, so now you can view that this is our front end. So you can put your message here. So let's say I put okay, so please take out the chicken from the fridge. Fish I will get that later to cook. Okay. Now let's check. Alright, so you can see here that this message is not a spam. Now let's say we take any message that we may think that it will be a spam. So let's say I put congratulations. We just want a big lottery. Click this link to claim your prizes. Alright, now let's set. Alright, so as you can see here that this this message is detected as spam. So this is our model. This is from our model that we call from the end. Alright, so yeah, so I think this is just for our UI, but it has already deployed. You can check the link here, check spam.fix.com. Okay, so this is basically the same. I have already deployed it. You can check it out by yourself. Okay, so I guess that's all from me. Thank you.